boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Madison Beer with the song called Lovergirl, okay? So this is a nice song to learn, not maybe the first song you come up with in your mind when you think about guitar songs or so, but we have this cool beat and it's it's great. You can just follow along with that, and the chords are very simple if you use a capo. Place it on 3rd fret and it's very simple to play the song. If you don't have any capo, then I suggest usually to go with the same chords I'm teaching you guys. It will not match with the sound. If that is very important for you, okay, we have a little problem there, then we'll go with the harder chords, or just find another solution. But many times you can just play a song a little bit darker without the capo and use the same chords. That is a great scenario. So best case scenario, you buy your capo and follow along. Let's do it. So we have a couple of chords to go over now. We're gonna look into C first. So that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. A minor next. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G coming up, which is 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have the E minor as well. Sorry, not E minor, the E. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, open E. Then we have the D minor, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have the D minor major 7, all right? So the difference there is you slide in with that 3rd B to 2nd B, okay? Everything else is the same as D minor, so that gives us open D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 1st E. And finally we have the G7, and we're gonna go with this version. Not the bar version, it's nice to skip that. So 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 1st E. And there we have it. Now let's focus on the strumming. So if you grab the first chord C, one round that I think simulates the strumming and kind of the rhythm goes hand in hand, goes like this. Okay, so we're gonna build in the beat here. So you're gonna start with down, clap. So okay, then comes down, up, up, down, and then finish off with clap down. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. All right, so let's start with the first verse. Very simple. You're gonna play 2 string rounds of C and 2 string rounds of A minor. And you're gonna do that 2 times. So one round goes like this. Right? 2 times of that, you're gonna reach the pre-chorus. Then after 30 seconds in one look, that's where on the lyrics you're gonna play now G 2 string rounds and E 2 string rounds, only once. So and then you're gonna hit the chorus at 40 seconds in. Okay, I just can't help, and so on. That's where the lyrics. Now let's play that. You're gonna play C2, A minor 2, D minor 1, D minor major 7, 1, and then G7 2. That chord progression, play that 2 rounds, and 1 round goes like this. Alright guys, from now on you have no news to this song. The second round is played exactly the same way when it comes to the verse, also the pre-chorus. The difference is in the chorus. You're gonna play the same, but instead of playing 2 rounds, you're gonna play 4 rounds, and guess what? You have had your time with your Lovergirl and Madison. You have finished this song. So a great song, very straightforward. If you learn the strumming and these few chords, you have it. All right, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, show me some love. Yeah, you know how. just subscribe to this channel, give me a like. And if you're here for the first time, maybe you haven't heard about my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Go and visit that as well. A different way of learning songs, but still great. So thank you for support. See you soon. Play tuned.